Say hello to hassle-free cleaning with this curved car wash brush mop. This 47-inch long has a tackle-free even to the shortest dark spots in your car.
It has 3 secure grip points, offering anti-slip properties, protecting your hands from injury and making car cleaning super easy. Easy detachable to meet your various car washing height needs. The car wash brush head rotates at 110 combined with an optimally selected length, making it easy to clean the car roof, body, and wheels while preventing lumbar strain or back injury due to bending. Dense microfiber chenille easily removes stubborn stains and dust, reviving your car. Suitable for wet or dry use. I totally love it.